clinics.
Jatatije mar AIRTEL Ashis Malotra oyango ni AIRTEL Kenya osiro lai mar duol mochungne weche tudruok pacho ka medero ni Communications Authority of Kenya maduoko piny nengo goyo simu. Duol no yango ni bech tudruok nodok piny koa siling kara senti 58 e dakika nyaka senti 41 e dakika chakre tarik achiel dwe mokalo. Mae notim mondo konjo Kenya otude mayot wach momiyo AIRTEL Kenya oduoko piny nengo mar goyo simu juma ka juma kod dwe ka dwe.
Reduced the pricing of our voice bundles, popularly known as Tubonge AllNet, monthly and weekly products. This will ensure our customers will continue to enjoy affordable call rates across networks and within the AIRTEL network. For Tubonge monthly AllNet, we've reduced the price from 300 shillings to 250 shillings. Customers will enjoy 300 minutes and SMS, which they can use to call across networks. They will also continue to enjoy free calls within AIRTEL network.
This a small reduction which has come about as a commitment towards the entire country and customers, we are further reducing and passing on the entire benefit of this reduction to our customers so that they can continuously enjoy much more affordable propositions from AIRTEL. We've been investing very heavily on the network. In the last 4 months itself, we've added more than 300 sites in Kenya. And we are aggressively pursuing the network expansion agenda in the coming months also.